Hello, my fabulous besties. My name is Christina, and if you're new here, I love posting the girliest content. I am always on the scavenger hunt for the girliest and cutest accessories. And lately, I have been working around the clock day and night to find the girliest and cutest accessories that you can gift or you can keep for yourself this holiday season. I absolutely hate when the Coach outlet packages their stuff in this padded paper envelope because it is just always such a mess. Like, I need a vacuum cleaner every single time I open these. They're just so dusty and it just gets everywhere. Message to Coach outlet, stop doing this and just package things in a regular box. There's dust everywhere. Today we're opening a true mini masterpiece. This is the special edition Coach Nolita 19 with the sparkly butterfly print. I had to have this bag because this bag is literally everything feminine. It's sparkly and girly and pink, and honestly I haven't seen it in person or peeked inside yet, so we're getting the full raw first experience opening this bag together. I am dying to see if these crystals live up to the hype. Drop a butterfly emoji in the comments if you are as excited as I am to see if these crystals are living up to the hype. Let's go ahead and dive into this little piece of glittery heaven. She is definitely so cute, but as a first look, I'm seeing that this is not crystals, though they look like crystals on the picture. This is actually just a print to look like crystals and some sequins, but she is still so cute and glittery, and I think that if they were crystals, this bag would have probably costed more. I actually kind of feel silly for thinking that these were crystals. The leather is definitely smooth and it feels so rich and polished, and the silver tone hardware is definitely something that I don't have a lot in my collection, so I'm more than happy to add this bag. The silver hardware definitely complements the sparkly butterflies on this bag, and I think that it is just so beautiful and delicate. All of the details of this bag are truly girly and feminine, and this is the perfect gift for somebody that loves pink and loves butterflies and loves glittery things. Even though with sequins, the polished leather and the smoothness of this bag and the gorgeous detailing of these butterflies are giving elevated chic. One of the reasons why I love the Nolita 19 is that this bag is so small, but it holds a lot. The interior is lined with a soft fabric, and it has 2 card slots in the back. The card slots are perfect for cards or cash, giving you the option to not carry your wallet or carry just a small card holder if you wanted to. This is one of my favorite silhouettes from Coach, and the first thing people always ask me is what fits in that bag. I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and that definitely fits inside, which is always a huge sigh of relief. And then I have a few other accessories which are always a must-have in my bag. If these things don't fit, I can't have that bag. So the first thing that I cannot leave the house without is my wallet. This one is super cute. I'm using it right now because it's pink and the bag is pink, so of course. It is not the perfect match, and they did have the card holder to this, but for $40, I skipped out on it. This is my Victoria's Secret little wallet, super cute, and this fits perfectly even with my iPhone 17 Pro Max being inside. The next thing that I need, I am obsessed with this lipstick from Fenty Beauty. I cannot go anywhere without this one. This is in the shade Is It Fussy? And it's one of my most favorite shades. Look at this. Isn't it just so beautiful? It is so smooth the way it glides on. This is definitely not my mother's lipstick from back in the day. I put lipsticks off to the side so that way they're not in the way. The next thing that would go in my bag is this Laneige Tinted Lip Serum. I love this. Laneige to me is superior. It's definitely one of my favorite lip gloss brands. And the scent of the strawberry sprinkles, and I love how cushiony the applicator is. It's like a little donut. so good. I'm obsessed. Being that this is a little bit longer, it wouldn't really fit the best at the side, so I put this down at the bottom of the bag in the front, like that. Just like that. The next thing that I always have in my bag is this little My Melody hairbrush. It is so cute and pink, and I just have to have it. It makes me feel so girly when I carry this. Love this little thing. I found it on Amazon. If I could find it again, I'll definitely link it in my description. I'm moving my lipstick to the front of my wallet, and I'm putting the brush here just because everything just fits a little bit more balanced that way. And then of course, last but not least, I do have my AirPods Pro 3s. This case is super cute, but I'm gonna say that it is not practical just because the top doesn't stay on. Like, ever. But I think that the case is so cute, so I've been so reluctant to change it. It comes with this little charm. It has Queen Elizabeth on it, and honestly, I didn't even realize that that was Queen Elizabeth until I just took a really good look at it. The imprint is kind of hard to see on camera, but that definitely does say Elizabeth, and she's wearing a crown, so who other than the majestic queen herself. As you guys know, I love anything that's pink, and rose quartz always steals my heart. And then this little pearl wrist strap was the cherry on top. It's just so cute and dainty. How could I not want this? So my AirPods always come with me everywhere. And that just goes right at the top. I carry a little tiny pill case for my painkillers because, chica, I'm not one for pain, okay? I will go home. The second I feel pain, I just want to go home and go to sleep. But as an adult, that's not always the case. I got things to do and I got places to be. So of course, that goes right inside. I also always take a hand sanitizer. Usually it'll be either Touchland or Bath & Body Works, but to be honest, you guys, Touchland is kind of expensive and Bath & Body Works does the same job. But if you're going for aesthetic, yeah, I guess you can get the Touchland. But if you're looking for functionality and you're looking to save your money, you can get like 5 or 6 of these for less than the cost of a Touchland. I could slip this in just like that and still be able to close the bag, but you can see it does create a little bit of a bump, and you never want to do that to your bags. If you don't care too much about keeping your bags looking nice and you don't care if they get frumpy dumpy, then by all means go ahead. You can also use a smaller wallet. Small bags like the Nolita definitely call for a card holder or a smaller wallet than this, so we can always swap out for a card holder. This card holder is awesome from Victoria's Secret and it holds about 4 cards, your ID, and then there's a little space for cash and coins, and it snaps closed. That of course fits right inside my bag, and it's the ultimate space saver. As you guys can see, everything definitely fits. Let me show you. So this is how she looks with everything inside, even my 17 Pro Max and all of the junk that I put in there. And if you want, there's even a little bit of room up at the top if you wanted to fit a longer lipstick or a lip liner. That's on you, baby girl. But because you never know what life is gonna throw at you, I usually keep my Bath & Body's hand sanitizer outside of the bag and onto a cute girly charm. I have so many Bath & Body Works charms, it's kind of ridiculous. I brought out these two just because I thought that one of these would be cute. Of course, the little butterfly one, because how cute is she? She used to light up, but not anymore. So just a little note for you guys, skip out on the light up Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer charms because that light is not forever. But she's still super adorable, and I love that it's a butterfly. I could wear it on this one, but I don't really know how well she matches. I thought that this little unicorn one was also super cute, and I thought it would match well because it is silver hardware, and the pink is more or less the same color, and it has a little bit of glitter. The hand sanitizer that we're using today is called Magic in the Air. It smells so good. Definitely underrated. I think this is a winter scent. I'm not 100% sure, but it is shimmery, and Magic in the Air definitely gives me some kind of a seasonal Christmas holiday vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slip this one in. Super cute, sis. What I like to do is put her on the side that's closer to the front of my chest, on the side that I usually wear my shoulder bags. I were to wear this right now, I always wear my shoulder bags on my right side, and I keep all of my charms on the front of that side just to keep people and their sticky fingers away from getting to my charms. Keeping my charms on the front is a great way to make sure that everything stays protected. Now I know that the strap might be a little bit small for most women. It is super cute like this, but what I would recommend would be to get a small little chain extender for your bag. These things run maybe about $6 to $10 on Amazon. This isn't actually the one that I got for this bag because it is in gold hardware, but they do have this in a silver hardware option. All you would need to do is just clip this one on and then clip this side on. And now you have a larger shoulder strap. You can literally just see the difference in how it fits on your shoulder. Say hello to the super chic vibes that always work for the Nolita 19. It's definitely no secret that at the Coach outlet, the Nolita 19 is one of my most favorite pieces. Literally any color that they make this in, once I see it, it's like this impulse that I have to have it. But when I seen it in this super cute butterfly print, you know I had to add this to my collection. I mean, cause how could I not? Even Dada approves. Honestly, I feel like I could wear this bag with almost anything. Even though it does have this glittery, sparkly butterfly print on it, it is still a neutral color. The butterflies will definitely give me that little pop that I need because I usually dress in neutrals and plain clothing. It is just the amount of girly chic that I need. Right now is winter time, so I would wear this with a cute sweater, kind of like what I have on. And right now I'm wearing these beige cargo pants. The outfit is giving what it needs to give with some white sneakers. Or I could take her to a holiday event with an all black silhouette and let the butterflies do all the talking. I am definitely rating this a 10 out of 10 because she is just super cute. I have always been in love with butterflies, so you already know when I seen this, I had to have it. She is completely sold out right now, so even though I will be able to link her below, I am not sure if she's going to be available by the time that you guys see this bag, but I'll leave the link there just in case they do restock. So if you love seeing this sparkly Nolita 19 today, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. That way you'll never miss one of my girly chic videos. And of course, let me know in the comments if the Nolita 19 is one of your favorite silhouettes at Coach Outlet, or if there's something else that you always have your eye on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!